Meaning of eerily.
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 Eerily. Eerily means something that is strange or spooky in an unsettling way. It is often used to describe situations or events that are unusual, mysterious, or unexpected. For example, when a normally bustling city street is silent and empty late at night, it can be described as eerily quiet. Likewise, a seemingly abandoned building with flickering lights can be described as eerily creepy. Overall, the term eerily is used to convey a sense of unease, discomfort, or foreboding that comes from encountering something that is difficult to explain or understand.